This is the Unity, finally. Check this thing out. Alright, what can we say about it? This thing was a passion project of some friends that met at UYYC in 2025. They got together at an Olive Garden after the contest and put together different characteristics of different yo-yos into a yo-yo that they wanted to create, which was the Unity. So, taking a closer look here, it is 56 millimeters, 56.4 to be exact, by 52.05 wide, 64.6 grams, G19 pads, C bearing. You've got stainless steel rims, you have the Druid dimple, you have some Evolution grooves, a little bit of the Druid shape, a little bit of Banshee shape, a little bit of Evolution shape, but all of those things came together nicely into the package of the Unity. This particular colorway was only available to the people that made it, whoever they invited to pre-order one. Enough of those people got it and loved it that they wanted to have one public offering. So that's what we're doing here, is letting you know what the Unity was and that you can get one from now until Friday if you want to pre-order one. All the details are going to be in the description below. It's going to be a Google form for you to sign up. But if you want one, it's going to be about 4 months out to get it returned and back to you. But we're going to do a black base, stainless steel, blasted purple rims. And then we're going to have faded splash of aqua to pink, the unicorn fade. So think about that. When it spins, the aqua to pink should look purplish sometimes and match those purple rims on the black base. It's going to be fantastic. So I did ask one of the members of the design team to describe how it plays, like if you're going to describe how this yo-yo plays to a friend really quick. So coming from them, it's wide enough for the big tricks, narrow enough for your technical string dense maneuvers. It's comfortable in the hand, it has the power and agility to be ready for your next trick circle. With the fingerspin dimple and the friction reduction grind lines in the catch zone, the Unity is just a grind machine. It has something for anyone while not sacrificing spin time or power. So that's what they would tell their friend if they were describing how it played. Better or worse than how I describe a yo-yo, I'm not sure. But I do agree with those statements. It is more comfortable in the hand than I'm expecting for a 52 wide yo-yo. And it kind of, I would put a little more on the powerful side than the agility side, because when I'm talking agility, I'm talking AL7 Herdsman or AL7X Arbiter X that just are super quick to adjust. This has got more power, but it doesn't have the power and stability like a Wraith that's harder to move. This is still agile in that category. So take it for whatever it's worth. That's how they described it. Anyways, I just wanted to let you know and to put this out there into the interwebs for history stakes. This is what the Unity was. These are the specs of it. And that was the 2 runs and how you could get in. So thanks for watching, and hopefully if you want one, you get in on the pre-order.